Here we divide 627 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 2 and it is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down the 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 627 divided by 5 is 125 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.